What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. My name is Leandro Demon Riva, and I am going to make for you another original cocktail called a Winter Welcome. This cocktail I created just in response to everyone asking me to make more winter cocktails. So that's what I decided to do. We have this on the menu at my bar Coles right now, and people are really digging it. I gotta say that this is a very robust big boy drink, okay? This is gonna be lots of high proof alcohol. So you gotta make sure that you drink responsibly when you do this one, okay? So first thing we're gonna do is just a couple dashes of Angostura bitters, and then we're gonna do just a couple drops of Bitterman's Mole bitters. Then we're gonna do half an ounce of Tempus Fugit banana liqueur. Half an ounce of Arabica coffee infused Carpano Antica. So all you got to do is, for this little 375, I did about 1/8 of a cup of Arabica coffee. You let it sit for an hour and then you strain it back into the bottle. I should really label this bottle, but it's the only Carpano I have right now. But I should actually mark it with a Sharpie to make sure that when you do it, mark it with a Sharpie with a seed or bright coffee on it or something so you know that it's coffee infused. Then you're going to do half an ounce of Smith & Cross rum. And then 1.5 ounces of Rittenhouse Rye, which is my favorite bonded rye. And then, my friends, we got this nice big hand-cut piece of ice that I just cut for this particular cocktail. And we are gonna place it in our drink and stir. You're going to want to use a little bit bigger of an old-fashioned glass because this comes in like a Manhattan at about 3 ounces. So, you know, if you use a smaller 9-ounce glass with a big rock of ice, depending on the size of your ice, you're going to have to cut your ice down smaller if you use that size. Or you can use a big old rock of ice like I like to do and then just do a bigger old-fashioned glass so that it fits the glass properly. And as you can see, there's just a little bit of a wash line right there, and that's what you want. Stir it until it's properly chilled. A little spillage there, but that's all right. Trying to go slow as not to spill because it's sitting pretty high in the glass due to this big old hunk of ice I put in there. I think that's about sufficient, my friends. See? Oh. Yeah, it's sufficient. And then, last but not least, just a nice lemon twist. I'm just going to rub that on the outside. Stick that in the glass. And there you have it, my friends. The Winter Welcome. Now, let's taste it. My first reaction is to say, oh yeah, like you know I like to do, but oh, that is just great. Now, the thing about Smith & Crossing cocktails is that it tends to overtake all of the other flavors. But I gotta tell you, Smith & Cross and banana liqueur are friends. These pair so well with this. The rye whiskey gives it a little spice, the coffee gives it a little body, and then just like that, you know, that vermouth, coffee vermouth just gives it a little body, and the lemon twist on the finish is just like, Well, the lemon twist actually is on the front of your palate. It's the first thing you taste, but it just kind of treks through the entire flavor profile of the cocktail as you're taking that sip. It's just really, the brightness of the lemon just goes a long way, but I gotta say that these are the star of the show and this is the supporting character, even though this is the main spirit. There you have it, my friends, the Winter Welcome. This is our holiday cocktail. This is what I'm going to be making for Thanksgiving. So I hope you guys have a happy Thanksgiving and a safe Thanksgiving. Drink responsibly, and I'll see you on the other end of the holidays.